Scrambled egg, Hausa potato stir fry, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the Hausa potato recipes and one of the most tastiest of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the scrambled egg recipes, one of the most unique of the stir fry recipes. Today we are going to make scrambled egg Hausa potato stir fry. The ingredients are 100 grams of Hausa potato, cleaned, peeled and cut into pieces. The next ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, around 25 grams of spring onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 2 to 3 red chillies, 25 grams of ginger and 2 to 3 sprigs of mint leaves. Take 100 ml of water in the pressure cooker, put in a spoon of mixture spices, put in salt to taste, put in the Hausa potatoes, and let them mix and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Pan and put in tin foil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the ginger, salt, salt, now put in the onion pieces. Salt, put in the garlic, red chillies, salt, keep on salting, salt and mix thoroughly. Now thoroughly salt and mix. Now put in the cooked Hausa potatoes with the water broth and let it boil and evaporate. After sorting and stirring and letting the water evaporate, break in 2 eggs into the mixture. Let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. Break the yellow part and spread it. Let it cook. Now scramble the egg with the rest of the mixture. Salt and scrambled egg, the rest of the mixture. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the scrambled egg Hausa potato stir fry is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final scrambled egg Hausa potato stir fry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.